Hi friends, welcome back to your own channel. I am Kashif, your host. As promised in last video, today we are going to make dynamic timer series chart in Power BI. We will complete this exercise in 2 steps. 1. We will download the data for week prices. 2. We will make the dynamic timer series in Power BI. Let's open the browser and go to investing.com. Please choose first tab, Markets. Under the Markets, select Commodities and then select Grains. Select wheat or any other commodity as per your choice. Go to Historical Data tab and click it. Go to the calendar area. Select start and end dates. Click on Apply. And then download the data. It will be downloaded as CSV file. Let's open our downloaded file. I have deleted most of the columns. Just kept 2 basic columns. 1. Date. 2. Price. Let's create 3rd column for critical events. In this column we will write about critical events. For example, discovery of COVID-19 in China and lockdowns in various countries. Just to differentiate from our previous file, I will create 2 more events in this file. We will add investigation start and end events. By mistake I have created first the started event, which should be end event. But mistake has been rectified. Rest all other event dates remain the same. Let's move now to second stage and open your Power BI file. In the ribbon you can see a tab of Get Data. Click it and select Excel. Browse and select your data file. Once selected, press the Load tab. Once data load is completed, in upper right-hand corner under Field you can see the week data. Under the visuals press 3 dots. Now you can go to App Source page of Microsoft and download hundreds of free templates. Select Pulse Chart and download it. In few moments you will see icon for a new visual will appear in Visuals area. Select it and size it according to the required dimensions. While Pulse Chart template is selected, please open the week data file and select date. You will be amazed that Power BI has automatically placed it in right field of template. Now select price and then critical events. Now we will add a title to the chart and change the axis from middle to bottom. We will change the color of event mark and change its size too. Event message color needs to be changed. Let's adjust the play speed and pause time. It's done. Let's play and see what we have achieved. Let's add a title in bold letters. This chart allows you to link events or facts with data and show a story which represents their relationship. You have seen how we can present very simple information in a very powerful way. You can use this chart for various purposes. You can present commodity prices changes with seasonal changes. You can show oil prices and their link with global events. You can show how marketing activities or promotions have impacted your sales. If you like this video, then please press like and subscribe button. Do not forget to press the bell icon.